Hello, friends. Welcome back to the Speak Fluent English channel. Today, I will explain the 8 types of adverbs in English. Adverbs are very important because they help us describe actions, time, place, frequency, degree, and more. In this lesson, we will look at 8 common types of adverbs with simple examples. Let's begin. First, adverbs of manner. These adverbs describe how something is done. Examples include quickly, carefully, happily, loudly, and beautifully. They explain the way an action happens. Let's start practicing some simple sentences. Quickly. He runs quickly. She finished her work quickly. Carefully. Drive carefully. He reads the instructions carefully. Happily. She smiled happily. They lived happily together. Loudly. He speaks loudly. The children are laughing loudly. Beautifully. She sings beautifully. The garden is beautifully decorated. Next, adverbs of place. These adverbs describe where something happens. Examples are here, there, everywhere, outside, and upstairs. They help us talk about location or direction. Let's start practicing some simple sentences. Here. I am here. Come here, please. There. The book is there. She is standing there. Everywhere. There are people everywhere. I looked everywhere for my phone. Outside. The kids are playing outside. It is cold outside. Upstairs. My room is upstairs. She is sleeping upstairs. Now, adverbs of time. These adverbs describe when something happens. Examples include now, yesterday, soon, today, and always. They tell us about time. Let's start practicing some simple sentences. Now. I am busy now. Come here now. Yesterday. I went to school yesterday. It was cold yesterday. Soon. I will come soon. The bus will arrive soon. Today. I am happy today. Today is my birthday. Always. I always wake up early. She always studies hard. Next, adverbs of frequency. These adverbs describe how often something happens. Examples are always, usually, often, sometimes, and never. They show repetition or regularity. Let's start practicing some simple sentences. Always. I always brush my teeth in the morning. She always helps her mother. Usually. I usually go to school by bus. He usually eats breakfast at 8 o'clock. Often. I often watch movies. They often play football after school. Sometimes. I sometimes eat fast food. She sometimes goes to the park. Never. I never smoke. He never comes late. Now, adverbs of degree. These adverbs describe the degree or extent of something. Examples include very, quite, to, almost, and completely. They help us understand intensity or level. Let's start practicing some simple sentences. Very. I am very happy today. This book is very interesting. Quite. The movie is quite good. She is quite tired. Too. It is too hot today. This bag is too heavy. Almost. I am almost ready. The class is almost over. Completely. I am completely tired. The room is completely clean. Next, adverbs of reason. These adverbs describe why something happens or show a result. Examples are therefore, consequently, hence, thus, and accordingly. They connect ideas and reasons. Let's start practicing some simple sentences. Therefore. It was raining, therefore we stayed at home. He was late, therefore he missed the bus. Consequently. She didn't study, consequently she failed the test. It snowed heavily, consequently schools were closed. Hence. He is sick, hence he cannot come to work. The road was closed, hence we took another route. Thus. He worked hard, thus he succeeded. The shop closed early, thus we went home. Accordingly. The rules changed, accordingly we updated the plan. She was tired, accordingly she went to bed early. Now, adverbs of affirmation. These adverbs confirm or emphasize something. Examples include certainly, definitely, clearly, indeed, and obviously. They add strong confirmation. Let's start practicing some simple sentences. Certainly. I will certainly help you. She is certainly a good student. Definitely. I will definitely come tomorrow. This is definitely my favorite food. Clearly. He is clearly tired. She speaks clearly. Indeed. It is indeed a beautiful day. He is indeed very smart. Obviously. He is obviously angry. Obviously, she knows the answer. Finally, adverbs of negation. These adverbs show negative meaning. Examples are not, never, hardly, scarcely, and rarely. They express negative ideas or limitations. Let's start practicing some simple sentences. Not. I am not tired. She is not at home. Never. I never smoke. He never eats fast food. Hardly. I hardly see him. She can hardly speak English. Scarcely. I can scarcely believe it. There is scarcely any food left. Rarely. I rarely go to the cinema. He rarely comes late. Thank you for watching this lesson from the Speak Fluent English channel about the types of adverbs in English. I hope this lesson has helped you understand adverbs more clearly. See you in the next lesson.